So you see, I just booted my PS3 and even the booting screen looks so insane. And alright, so I have turned my PS3 into PS3 Pro. That means I've got extra performance, super sampling mode, and literally there's a boost mode in PS3 right now. And there's so many features that I'm going to show you in this video. I will showcase you the PS3 Pro, and not just that, I will also show you how you can turn your PS3 into PS3 Pro. So you see, I just booted my PS3 and even the booting screen looks so insane. And now we're going to get into the PS3, and I'm going to go from normal features to the best features that I found in PS3 Pro mod. And for this you have to have a jailbroken PS3, but don't worry about that. I will show you how to do that as well in this video, and I'll basically show you every single thing how to get this PS3 Pro. So first I'm gonna enable HEN, and yes, I have a HEN in my PS3 because it's a jailbroken PS3. But let's get into the features first. So the first one I'm gonna show you is actually the one when you hold down the home button, the PS3 home button, you see the menu I got. Let me just turn off my screen so you guys can actually see clearly. So you see it says charge level, everything is completely changed, and this is not just overhaul. So let's say if I put my controller in charge, you will see the animation and everything just right there. So you see the charging is changing, even the light is blinking on the controller picture. So that is pretty insane. And now let's talk about the second feature. And like I said, we're going to be going from normal feature to the best feature, and the best one is actually super sampling and boost mode. So the next one is actually you get so many options such as manga reader. I don't know what that is. I've never read any, don't add me in the comments. Flash content, but screen mirror I might use it later. And then we have let me just put myself a little bit smaller. Remote plays, just usual options, and we can play all kind of games, retro games, homebrew apps, PSP games. These are like basic jailbreaking options. But we have online TV player, like, you know, watch your favorite TV channels. I don't know what that is, but still it's there. And then we have this option that I love. So that is the reboot option. So the normal PS3 doesn't have reboot option, but with the PS3 Pro mod, you're gonna get reboot option, quick reboot, soft reboot. Even you can rebuild database by just XMB menu. And one more thing that I love is that when I go to system options, system settings, like, you know, the name is literally changed to PS3 Pro, and that is so insane. So system information says PS3 4K Pro, and literally I'm on the latest firmware right now. I can literally do whatever I want on PS3 with extra performance. So these are some of the features that I found that are, like, you know, that are kind of good, such as these trophy collection icon is so good, PlayStation icon, information board, that is something new. I haven't anti-ban protection, I don't know what that is, but yeah, these are the features. And now let's go into the main features. For that I have to hide the screen because you have to see the whole thingy. So you see there's a boost mode option right on the bottom, and when I start a game, it's gonna start the super sampling mode. So basically it's gonna rescale the resolution to a better one and give us, like, you know, crispier picture and stuff like that. So let me just start the game first. I have to get the disc. I think I have GTA 5 disc somewhere. Alright, so I've found Call of Duty Ghost. So you'll be surprised, that is the come on, GTA 5 inside that. So let's start GTA 5 and see the super sampling mode by itself. Alright, so now we have inserted PS5 GTA 5 disc. So when I start the game, it's actually a lot better now. Like, you know, when I go to home screen with the game running, it's a lot faster, because I remember I used to play GTA 5 on PS3, and when I used to go to XMB menu, it was kind of a slow. But now let's see how it goes. And you can see clearly it says super sampling mode is enabled for the game, and that is the best part of this PS3 4K Pro mod. And I'm telling you, this is so insane. It gives extra performance, super sampling mode, and there's like so many features that I haven't even found yet. So if you're gonna install it, you can actually like, you know, play around and find features, and let me know in the comment down below if you find, like, you know, better features. Like, you know, literally you can comment any feature that you find that I haven't shown you in this video. That will be just okay. And I just started the game to show you guys the super sampling mode that is enabled. I'm not gonna actually play the game, so let's get into the tutorial where I show you how you can actually install this into your PS3, like, you know, how you can upgrade your PS3 into PS3 Pro, 4K Pro. Alright, so while I was recording the tutorial, my mic kind of turned off, so I'm gonna be doing a voiceover, but I will still explain how to turn your PS3 into PS3 Pro. So step 1 is gonna be, you're gonna have to install hybrid firmware and jailbreak your PS3, and any PS3 can be jailbroken, and I have made a dedicated video about this. If you want to know in brief and every detail, link is going to be in the description about that video, and it explains every single thing about how to jailbreak the PS3. So install the hybrid firmware and then install the HEN that will jailbreak your PS3. That will be the first step to turn your PS3 into PS3 Pro. And I kind of feel dumb that I'm speaking in a video but there's no audio, so I'll just put a clown emoji on top of my face. So anyway, as you can see, the HEN is installing, and after the HEN is installed, we can go ahead and go to step 2. That will be installing the PS3 Pro mod that will give you 4K enhanced performance and super sampling mode and so many other features that I showcased earlier in this video. And after you install HEN, you're gonna have to restart the system. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And as you can see, on default system, there is no restart option. That is so insane that you will get restart options and so many other features with the PS3 Pro mod. Alright, so the PS3 is rebooted, as you can see, and it says HEN on the booting screen. That means the PS3 is completely jailbroken right now successfully, and now we can go ahead and install the PS3 4K Pro mod. And for this, you need to have a PKG file. That will be also in the link in the description in my Discord server. Go to the Discord server and you will find the PS3 4K Pro enhanced PKG file in my Discord. So after you've jailbroken the PS3, enable HEN or whatever jailbreak you have, and then go to package installer and put the PKG file into your USB drive and install the PKG from the USB drive. And installing will take about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna skip the part. And once the installation is done, you're gonna have to click go back, and you will find a separate application where you will get the option to install the PS3 mod. That's gonna be the 4K or PS3 4K Pro Lite. So I'm just gonna click go back. I was kind of busy on phone while it was installing, so my bad. So it's done. I'm just gonna go back, and then the app is not here. You're gonna have to look around a little bit, and then the app is gonna show up PS3 4K Pro Lite. Open the app, and then that will give you the option to install the mod. And trust me, this mod is so insane. You guys already saw it maybe, because I will put that in the in the beginning of the video showcasing part. So you have to choose hybrid firmware or CFW. If you're using HEN, use the HFW, that is the hybrid firmware, and then choose PS3 Pro Lite or 4K Pro Lite. I'll go for the second one because why not? And it will give you some options like just click yes or no. Just read it. I haven't read it, and there's that. I was actually reading it, but then I was like, nah, I'll just click yes. Oh no, I don't know what I clicked that time. I clicked yes. Yes, okay. And after you select yes, it will start installing and copying the file. That will take another 20 minutes or 10 minutes, depends on the speed of your PlayStation, of the hard drive. And once that's done, you will get the option to reboot, and then when you reboot, you will finally get the PS3 4K Pro into your PS3. And that's what I was talking about in the video, and it's a pity I forgot to turn on the microphone while I was doing the recording. Like, trust me, I regret it because I had to go through the voiceover again and again. And while I'm doing this right now, I'm so sleepy. I have to go and catch a flight tomorrow morning, and that kind of sucks. I'll be away for like 4 days, and I won't be able to make any more videos for 4 days. I might do it while I'm away, but let's see. So anyway, you see the PS3 4K mod is installed, and we have the PS3 4K Pro in the PS3. So that's how you can turn your PS3 into PS3 4K, into PS3 Pro. So remember, jailbreak the PS3. Link is gonna be in the description how to jailbreak PS3, and then simply install the PS3 4K mod, and that's it. So this is the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and by any chance, if you didn't like the video, hit that dislike button twice, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.